How to make shortbread cookies. Materials needed: flour, butter, sugar, vanilla, oven mitts, mixing bowl. Welcome to Shortbread Land. First, gather the ingredients above. Next, combine your ingredients in a bowl. Then prepare your dough and put it on a cookie sheet. Then bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Last, remove the cookies from the oven using mitts. I hope you enjoy it.